Bonjour à tous, je suis Bebel Abreu, aussi au Bebel Books. I am a publisher here in Brazil, based in São Paulo. So we have already published around 80 titles here from artists from Brazil, but also from other parts of the globe. And I have also a company called Mandacaru that produces exhibition, contests, and events and publications about applied arts, design, and some interesting things as well. 2 years ago, when I was in Paris for the exhibition Fiesta Gráfica, Michel Bouvet et ses amis d'Amérique latine. And also we focus on publications too. This is From Inspiration to Screen. It's a book about movie making. The workshop I have proposed to the week at the Intuit Lab was for the students to create about the neighborhood of the school. So we have created also a map for Intuit Lab. The idea is also that the students will make a zine telling about something nice or sometimes not so nice about the surroundings of the school too. So we will have a collection of 21 works about the school. About the surroundings. I think the students have surprised me a lot with the level of drawing. Everybody made beautiful stickers in the first exercises, and then also are creating super interesting stories. It's really free work, and it's really beautiful to see how they would bring approaches like from fun approach to serious approach, also poetic stories, and some more observation scenes. Some have text, some don't have. There is also typographic work, so it's super interesting to see how they are really putting effort on that and delivering amazing stuff. The feeling I have is that the L'École Intuit Lab is a place that really gives conditions to the students to create. So my advice for you is keep doing.